Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to remove pinstripes from your vehicle. There's a 5-inch pneumatic disc grinder. All you gotta do is just stay right on top of the line here, bring you in a little closer so you can see. Yep, just like that. And you just wanna just very gently right up here, and you can see the line right there, and then I'll show you how to do it. So I'm kidding, I bought this pinstripe eraser from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description below. And I just want to show you how easy this is to take off. So I'm going to go ahead and put on low speed right here and just erase it. Just like that. I'll bring you in close so you can see the paint. I don't know if you can tell, it doesn't really affect the paint at all. I do plan to wax it. I'll just speed up the video and you can see. I'll do this fender and then I'll wax the fender. So I'm trying not to stay in one spot too long. I'm trying to keep moving, just so that the heat doesn't build up and want to burn the paint. Not sure if that's a problem. It's the first time I'm actually using this, so I'm learning as I go, but I sure don't want to learn the hard way and put burn marks on the paint. Okay, I'm going to spray it down with some glass cleaner and wipe it off with paper towel. And there is just a little bit of residue left over in a couple spots. I'm going to go ahead and clean this off a little bit. So where that little bit of residue was, it kind of looked like paint scratches, but we'll see here in a moment that it wasn't. Still just a couple little areas where there's some adhesive left over. I think the wax will take care of it. So just real quick before I do the wax, I'll show you what it looks like. Can zoom out here. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can tell where it was. You can see a faint line right here. The two lines where the paint's faded from having the pinstripe on for so long. But you can tell there's been no damage to the paint. That's probably adhesive right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and wax it up real quick so you can see what it looks like afterwards. Which it's probably not gonna look much different because this actually looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna use a microfiber cloth and some Black Magic Carnauba wax. I'm not a detailer, so I don't have any special waxes. Basically just want to hit the areas where the adhesive was. Okay, I'm going to let it dry a little bit, haze up, and then I'll buff it off, and I'll move on to the rest of the car. Not sure if you can see the haze on here from the wax, but I'm going to go ahead and well, here you can see pinstripe, no pinstripe. Okay, I want to bring you along for this journey because under the mirror is a little bit of a challenge. I got up to the mirror, no problem. But the mirror is kind of in the way. One thing you can do is you can push the mirror in, you get some more room, not much more. So I'll go as far as I can in that direction. Now I'll come from the other side as far as I can. Without damaging anything, and I think I'm about as far as I can go. So you can see I've got about a 2.5 inch spot right here. Well, you can't see that. Now you can. There's about a 2.5 inch spot right here that I'm gonna have to kind of maneuver this. I think this will be the best way, and still trying to keep it off the body panel. So here we go. Keep in mind, every vehicle is going to be different because pinstripes are put on at a dealer or an aftermarket shop. It's not done at the factory. So they're not always going to be in the same place. Just wanted to show you this little potential problem area and how to overcome it in my particular situation. It turned out really well. Really impressed with this tool. You don't have to use a 36 grit grinder to remove them.